Oh my god, Stereo one of the daggers coming in for the save, dude.
Dude, yeah.
Fucking 3 West came around me. I was like, oh shit. I just see the tiny little purple knives. I'm like, oh, thanks, man.
Oh yes, a barrel. Give me something good.
A barrel? What the hell? Oh, barrel.
Oh, that's really good. That's
Get it
really
on the
good.
barrel. Dude, I'm so excited to get the captain, dude.
Dude, yeah.
I don't know how to beat the game, but that's
I
the worst
think
part of it.
maybe I don't know. I have no idea. Maybe something to do with monsoon. Like
I watched a video. Not the video. I watched what you call it? I watched the trailer on Twitter, and it showed like this blue portal thing. I think that's how we.
Oh, maybe it like appears after stage like 10 or 20 or something like that. Another big chest right here.
Either that or there's a new stage 6.
Oh fuck, these brass contraptions.
Yeah, they fucking hurt like a bitch. I don't know if we should activate the teleporter now. What do you think, buddy?
I don't know.
Go to sleep.
No!
We're playing Rain!
Yeah, we're playing Rain. A new update came out, son. You ready for the teleporter? Okay.
Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, it's Lunar Coin.
Sweet. How many lunar coins you got?
I have 56, bro. I've been stacking them.
I have 185.
Okay, well.
Show me the flex, bro. Fucking RNG said. You know
Uh-oh. Steven, help. Help.
Just dash. Just dash. Are you black screen?
No, I see you, but I just can't move.
What the hell? Wait, what the hell is that? You sure you can't TP or hit your chip?
I'm hitting every single key on my keyboard.
What the hell?
Oh god, protect me, protect me, protect me, protect me!
God.
Ah! Okay, I'm good. Oh no, I'm not good. I'm still not good.
What?
Help! Help! Steven, help! Help! And I'm dead.
Okay, oh my god. So
I just like stood there. There's a lot of bugs, alright? It just came out.
Oh, true, that is true. I forgot about that.
My the controller doesn't even work. I plugged in my controller, that shit would not work.
No!
Oh my god!
Wait!
What?
Oh my god.
3 legend? Are you kidding me?
I'm so. This is
What?
so
This is what? This is the luckiest Brisket Rain run ever.
The way y'all are reacting makes me want to buy Risk of Rain.
You should probably buy it. So we can...
I'm not sure if the pricing. I think the price
Oh.
might increase at this point.
Yeah, I was gonna say it might. No, they might have a sale discount. Like just because it just updated, they might have like a little discount.
Yeah, true. Oh god.
I don't care about a discount. I'm rich, bro. Are you kidding me? Complain
Ooh, big
about as
bug.
much
Hey,
shitty
Kaden,
teammates in Rocket
chances
League.
for a legendary? Chances for a legendary? What do you think?
Nah. Oh! Oh my god!
I can't die now. I'm a man on a mission.
No! We literally are hackers, dude. That's insane.
I think I'm not sure if I'm hacking. It's probably why I got kicked off of fucking Phantom Forces the other day. What is this? Oh, I got a new item. Super
You got a.
possibly.
What is that?
It says heal for a percentage of your damage you deal for 8 seconds.
Don't want to die, dude. This run is so freaking good.
Oh my God.
RNGesus is like on our cock, bro.
Oh my god, do you not have 800 yet?
No, I have 700.
He's just gone, by the way.
Is he?
Oh, what's up, Izzy?
Oh,
I didn't.
damn it.
Oh my. Okay, I'm. Oh.
I had 800, dude. Damn it.
What is this?
What is
Why
this?
does it look like this? Primordial
Portal teleporter. Wait, is this how? Ooh.
Oh, is this it?
Is this it?
Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ooh. I'm starting to sweat again. Oh!
Come.
Wait.
I don't know how to
I'm
say that
scared.
word.
Kaden, hold my hand. Oh wait, do we go up here? I think we go. Wait, what? I think we go up there. Is this water?
Yeah. This is scary as hell. Is that a freaking tank?
Oh, it's a
It's
ship?
a dildo. Oh my god. Steven, get
Yo!
out of here.
Oh my.
What?
Ah!
Oh, what is that? What is that? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Get
Lunar
it.
Chimera? It's a chimera ant.
Jesus Christ, me screaming.
Oh, hi.
Hi, Charles.
Hello. Bro,
Oh. What is this? What is that? What is that? Ow, ow. Okay, they really hurt. They hurt. Here, chill out.
Oh, give me them toes.
Give me them does. What is that? What is that? Oh, it's another chimera. I'm gonna die.
Round 1.
Get it! dead. Oh my god.
That corpse launch though.
Dude.
That corpse launch.
Jesus Christ. Smack him. Smack him in the dick.
What?
Twist his dick.
Oh my
Twist,
god.
twist that shit like a doorknob.
Ew.
What is that? What is
What
that?
is that?
Do I have to? Is it a booster? I think it is.
Maybe
Yeah, I think it's a booster to TP on the other. Whee!
Yo, we can like launch off in four player.
Wait, oh,
Oh, what is that? It's
I'm
a
scared.
black a-hole.
oh, uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh my god!
Bricks.
Dude! Get away! Oh wow, I don't get to fight? That's BS. Oh my god! He just did 1,000 health.
I literally ran into his hammer. I'm so dumb. He's running like Naruto.
That was 1,000 damage.
He's
Dude!
running like Naruto. Oh, I'm so scared.
Just back up for a bit, bro. Back up for a bit. Just chill, just chill.
Oh,
His name is Mithrix. Beg.
Oh,
Scream.
okay. I
Vermin.
think I can.
Oh god! Bro, is he Huntress? What the hell?
Oh my Jesus, dude. Okay, I got him. Okay, so.
Yeah, chill,
he's
chill.
not- Okay, and then he dashes at me, and then.
Splash damage, you're joking. Dude, he looks cool when he runs.
Yeah.
Alright, do it again!
We go again.
Fine now, it's just the fucking oxygen. Oh my god!
Legendary, no way.
Yeah.
No way. Okay, yeah, they definitely.
Oh, what is this? Oh, Shattering Justice.
Bruh. Okay, oh god.
What? I used the thing!
Oh yeah, you need to be hitting stuff. You need to be hitting stuff, son.
Oh!
Oh!
Jesus.
Damn.
That took
no,
10
wait.
minutes, bruh.
I think
Oh,
we're gonna
yay.
get-
Spy or Sky. Oh, yeah, the primordial teleport aligns with the moon.
Oh.
So I guess that means we're cool.
Oh!
Are you dead? Oh my.
No, I am merely passed out. Alright, good luck, Hayden.
What do you want, you done?
Steven! I did it. That was an epic clutch.
Epic clutch.
Oh shit!
My computer froze.
My computer. It just took me to the main screen.
Oh, I know why.
Why?
Because I restarted my computer because it froze. Well, guess we're going again.
Bonus round!